Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here to share my January 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. Now the original kit for this month is based on the Not Just for Boys kit Flurries Deluxe Theme Kit. And if you head over to that blog or to the Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog and then follow the link over to the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, you will see that kit has a distinctly winter feel. There's lots of snowflake, there's some blue, there's some like pine trees, there's a mug of hot cocoa, sweater theme stamped, just overall winter type theme. So I went looking through my stash. I didn't find anything exactly like that, but I found something similar. So I found this Echo Park paper pack that I have. It contained 12 sheets of double-sided textured papers, including cover, this one, and an element sticker sheet. So not only is this the cover sheet, so I can use this as an element if I want to, but it's the cut apart. And I have a second cut apart on this paper pack that is this plaid fill. Now there was some red themed, there was some green and wood grain themed. The only thing I didn't pull in was blue. This one is a Christmas theme, but I don't know that I'm necessarily going to use it as Christmas. Don't you love that? That is just fabulous. But I also love that. This one is super cute. That's a small enough design that if you wanted to make cards out of that sheet, entirely doable. But I love that stripe sheet. Any collection that has a stripe in it, I think you're golden because you can use it for so much. And not only does the wood grain have the snowflakes, oh, let me bring that all down just a hair. So you can see that the wood grain has a snowflake, but so does this page as well. Oh, and look at the back. It looks like snow falling on that wood grain. Then another cut apart sheet. These are the 4x6. The back side are all of these little X's. It's cute. I love that you're given 2 of each. This set of tags, I can see myself cutting that page up. And then this green. That green is fabulous. I love that color green. One of my favorites. I love that tag sheet. So this is what I'm sticking with. These are the 12 papers, pattern papers that I have pulled in. I pulled in some cardstock. I pulled in 2 sheets of craft. I pulled in 2 sheets of green, and this is really old basil green. Yeah, I've had that, I'm sure, for quite a while. This one is a basil with a metallic sheen to it, but I did not pull it for that side. I pulled it for this side. It is a little bit different shade than in the snowflake paper, the striped paper, and the plaid paper, but if you look at this red, or the cut aparts or the tags, you can see I think it has light enough shades in those that you can pull this off. It's a little bit lighter than what is there. That is like almost a burgundy red in there. And then I pulled in a couple sheets from, I think those are close to my heart. And I think the craft is just maybe Paper Studio or Recollections brand. And then this one is a specialty paper, and I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. It's got a great, just textured material almost feel. I pulled that in to act as embellishment. So this is where I am starting. Now then, let me show you guys what I have pulled in addition to. With that original kit, with this kit, came a sticker sheet. It's huge, it's 12 by 12, so there's tons of Christmas and winter theme type images to go on that one. So I've pulled that in. I went through my stash, I found this sheet. It's Creative Imagination. The designer is Karen Russell, and it's called Narratives. And it's got date, where, who, specifics, details, date again, and then that says M for memories. And that's a big flourishy piece. I figure with the cream tones in the kit, I may be able to get some of those used up. That's been in my stash for a long time. As have these. These are from tumblebeast.com. And they were designed by Sarah Horton. They are tag stickers. And they are a charcoal wash. So if you see, they have, they're not a solid color. They look like they have been watercolored on there. And I've used almost the entire sheet, and I have 3 left. I'm hoping to get those used up with this round during this month. I pulled in some old Jenny Bolin red label stickers. These also have a silver gray dot on the inside. I have used them before. They are from 2010. Y'all don't say nothing, because I know y'all have stuff that's just as old in your stash. Whether you admit it or not, that's on you. I'm admitting it. Really, y'all, from 2010, and I've used several, but I still have tons to use. This is from the Dollar Spot at Target when it was still the Dollar Spot. These are craft tags. I don't see a date on there. These are old. Those are pretty old. Don't ask me how long they've been in there. I don't know. These are also pretty old. These are rub-ons. The last time I had these pulled out, I don't remember if it was this set or another set, because I had like 20 sets of these originally. They worked. I haven't pulled them out to see, but you know, as we go along, we'll find out together. I'm going to try and use them. I pulled in some brads because the original kit had some brads. These are from Bo Bunny, and I picked these up a while ago. In October of 2019, I believe. So yeah, they're just black and white and silver is my metallic theme, even though you can't really tell it with the gray here. I guess you kind of can. I pulled in these cork arrows with silver embossing from Freckled Fawn. They were a thank you gift from placing an additional order. So I'm going to try and get those used up or used. This set of sticky back jewels from the Eyelet outlet. I think I got these probably in 2019 at a scrapbooking convention that I went to. And then I pulled these out. These are from Close to My Heart, and they're the No Worries sequins. They have wood grain sequins and cream sequins in there. Super cute. Because there's so much wood grain in here, I'm going to try and get those used up. Alphabet wise, I found one that I think is close to what's in the inspiration kit. Now it is a black font in the inspiration kit. It is all lowercase, but it's a little different design. I've had these in my stash for a while, and I have used, I think, one whole set of them. And then what was left over out of the other package I used to put on the back of photos to pop things up. But this is like my second and third package, and I know I have probably 2 more, maybe 3 more packs in my stash. I love this font. It's called Delight. And do they put a date? Yeah, 2010. 2010. 2010 was obviously a very good year for those. These are Freckled Fawn, and these are silver, like you couldn't tell, right? I think these came in my December 2020 kit, and I just pulled the letter stickers out to use these. This set is all capital letters, so it will give a nice variation. This set is from Glitz. They are the Teeny Alpha Red Block, and these are old too. These are at least 10 years old, and yeah, so I'm gonna guess I got them in 2010 as well. And then I pulled in washi tape. I pulled in a black, a red, and a green, and a silver. The silver is just a scallop design. I pulled in a liquid pearls in silver pearl. The original kit had a stencil and some ink, some milk paint, but I'm not going to give it a shot. I'm just not this time. Not this time. And then because it had a pine tree stencil, I just pulled in all of these wood veneer that look like little pine trees. So you can see, these could be your Christmas stash or your winter stash or your outdoor stash. Wherever you might go to find trees in your collection, I encourage you, if you're not into mixed media, find something that represents what's in the kit. And I think that's what I've done here, is I've pulled not necessarily the stencil and the paint to work with these, but a representation. Now, might I pull some green paint out and paint those? Sure, I could if I wanted to. Or green markers, whatever the case may be. I could work with that, just as it is. Stamps that I pulled in, this one is called A Dash of Joy. Lots of fun Christmas and winter themed images in here. And I'm thinking with all of these tiny little images, you could use those in the cards close to my heart. And I think I have it here on my desk to work with my 1 kit 12 cards. Yeah. This one, yeah, this was a close to my heart with all of these images, and I think that's what that was generated for, is to fit in these little images here. But you could conceivably stamp these out on, say 1 by 1. I don't know that that's 1 by 1, but if you cut your cardstock into 1 by 1 sections and then stamp these on them, I think that would be absolutely precious to cut out and use. Or you could stamp these on cardstock and then just go back and fussy cut them. I think that would be optimal. This is going to turn out, I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this stamp set. I pulled this one out. It is called Ice Crystals. Again, close to my heart. And finally, another close to my heart called Snow Flurries. And both of these are pretty old. Someone asked me recently if I sold close to my heart, and I don't. I have a lot of their product, so don't be surprised if you see their product coming up in a lot of the different videos that I make, because I have tons of it. Anywho, so this is what I've pulled out to use with my Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit. I think I might do what I did last time in pulling some kits together, and then I will show you the process as we go along. I'm going to try to do what I did in November, is pull some page kits together and use those to create layouts and take you guys on that journey. Now, whether I'll do the whole process or just show you what I pull to use in the page and then show you the completed page, I don't know. That makes my editing process go faster, and when I can go faster like that, I can typically get these out in the same month, as opposed to just hodgepodge whenever I possibly can. Anyway, I'm going to work through a lot of this, and I will show you what I have probably at the end of the month when I wrap things up before I do next month. So stay tuned, watch for layouts made with this kit this month. I'm going to do my best, guys. I appreciate y'all being here, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.